Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2023 Volkswagen Amarok, stock number 6562. It's ran from the 2022 to the current shape. It has a DXKA 2 litre twin turbo diesel engine backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the DXKA 2 litre twin turbo diesel turbo engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front door guard, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,